Many people said, this is the way we have done it, and this is the way we are going to continue to do it. There would be no change, there would be no innovation, there would be no progress. Today, people have more ideas and they share them. We live differently and we have more technologies. When I arrived here at the Mint in 1978, people knew what they are doing, but they did not understand why things work the way they did. But you have to master the basics in order to focus on forward-looking projects. So, I started with the basics. The Mint is very fortunate to have employees who have been here long enough to understand why we do the things we do. Why the basics are so important. What I'm most proud of, a couple of achievements. First, the GML. When I started, the Royal Canadian Mint was not known for its gold. I said the purity should be 99.99%. We issued our first 4-line GML in 1982. The second is multi-ply. We were having so many challenges with the single-ply nickel-plated steel coins. They are so hard to strike. So that's when I started to develop the multi-ply. I firmly believe that multi-ply is the way to go. The Royal Canadian Mint has done the right thing in the past few years to recognize that research and development is necessary in keeping the Mint as the leader in minting. We don't just think we are the leader. People in the other mints, they all tell us that we are.
The young ones and the young ones shouldn't be afraid to live low while the flame is strong, 'cause we may not be the young ones very long. Tomorrow, why wait until tomorrow? 'Cause tomorrow sometimes never comes. So love me.
To create a world's first, you need innovative technology and fiery old world metallurgy. To reveal the individual character of each piece, you need the fine touch of many expert craftsmen and hands-on engineering and manufacturing. It's breathtaking, powerful, unique, and it's from the Royal Canadian Mint. What is it that combines precision engineering with days of meticulous hand finishing to make it perfect? The world's purest and biggest gold bullion coin. With a face value of $1 million and a purity of 99.999% pure gold. 100 kilos of pure Canadian pride. The Royal Canadian Mint is the first to manufacture a gold bullion coin of this size and this purity. This was not an easy feat. Each step along the way was a challenge. Each step required great care, thorough testing, and strict process control. It all started with original artwork, checked carefully for detail and accuracy. Usually, the Royal Canadian Mint engravers have to focus on keeping intricate details intact when translating original drawings to traditional coins. With the $1 million 5/9 bullion coin, that wasn't a problem. But the larger size meant that the design had to be flawless because every detail stood out. The Royal Canadian Mint engravers transferred the artwork from a hand drawing on paper to 3D digital modeling to a master plaster design. This master was then used to create the special cast mold that shaped the coin. With the mold prepared, they were ready to cast the molten gold. Assay technologists certified the 5/9 gold purity before and after each cast. Creating the perfect mold for this exceptional bullion coin required Royal Canadian Mint engineering expertise. It was designed so that the molten gold flowed evenly throughout the pour to avoid imperfections. It had to be strong enough to accommodate 100 kilos of gold at over 1200 degrees Celsius, yet fragile enough to release the bullion coin when it was cool. The mold sat in a bin surrounded by a special kind of heated sand to provide the best possible casting conditions. When the gold cooled, the Royal Canadian Mint specialists removed all the mold material, leaving the bullion coin, in need of some cleaning, with the gating system through which the gold was poured still attached. After a surface cleaning, the bullion coin went to the machine shop to remove the excess weight and to machine the circumference to a perfectly shaped circle. The bullion coin was given a thorough quality inspection, weighed, measured, and checked. Even the contours of the maple leaf design were expertly inspected. Once the bullion coin passed this stringent testing, both coin surfaces were primed by hand prior to the polishing stage. To achieve the most desirable finish, the coin went through several stages of hand polishing. Finally, the frosted finish was applied. The result is spectacular.
The Royal Canadian Mint is renowned internationally for excellence and quality. They provide the people of Canada and the world with superior products created using innovative technology. One of their most remarkable innovations is the process used in the creation of circulation coins with color. The process adds a vibrant new dimension to the mint and its mission, a mission to connect people and to inspire. First used in 2004 to bring life to a time-honored symbol of remembrance, a coin emblazoned with a bright red poppy inspired Canadians. The Mint's next color coin project will do the same. The Royal Canadian Mint and the Canadian Breast Cancer Foundation have joined forces to create a coin featuring the familiar swirling pink ribbon. Together, they will work toward creating a path of awareness for breast cancer. To do this, the Mint faces a design challenge. They must be able to produce, in mass quantities, coins that withstand the wear from daily circulation. The secret is state-of-the-art metallurgy, combined with digital inkjet printers and fiber optics. It all starts with a computer image and the unadorned coins. The pink ribbon image is converted to a digital file and computer analyzed to perfection. The coloring process involves successive applications of pressurized ink. Microscopic droplets of ink are electrocharged and ejected onto the coin surface. First, a primer coat, then the first two background color applications. The coins are flash-dried between coatings to prevent bleeding of the colors. Now it's time to bring the ribbon to life. The final application ejects electrocharged pink droplets onto the coin's surface, the familiar pink of the breast cancer logo. All this color has to be protected. The same digital inkjet technology is used to apply a final protective top coat. Throughout the process, fiber optic sensors assess each coin to ensure precision printing quality and to detect the presence of the necessary protective coatings. coins that meet the exacting standards of the mint are then heat cured to set the ink, cooled, rolled, and packaged for shipping. The entire colorization process takes just 16 seconds, producing 500 coins per minute, a stunning 175,000 per shift. The Mint saw a challenge to be a pioneer in coin technology and to be the best.
World-renowned for their quality and innovation, the Royal Canadian Mint Gold Maple Leaf Bullion Coin. Unsurpassed purity and a proud history of guaranteeing every coin we mint. An unforgettable design and new, unique security features ensure the gold maple leaf remains one of the world's most sought-after bullion coins. To continue our history of leading the market with quality, innovative products, we're introducing another first. The Bullion DNA anti-counterfeiting technology. A unique security mark is engraved onto every die, ensuring no two security marks are the same. The unique laser micro-engraved security mark is then minted onto every coin and registered during the production process using our digital, non-destructive activation technology. The images are then encoded and stored in our secure database. Bullion DNA lets you authenticate your gold maple leaf bullion coins in 3 steps. The laser mark is scanned and the image encoded. The data is securely transmitted to the Royal Canadian Mint and compared with our database to verify the authenticity of your coin. A safe, high-quality product that can now be easily validated. Another innovative first for the world's first 24-karat gold bullion coin. The Royal Canadian Mint Gold Maple Leaf Bullion Coin. In a world of its own.